So welcome guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my long lost unboxing video. So let's go ahead and unbox this Honor View 20. Let's check out the contents. Yeah. And so we have the oh no, where's the V20? Oh no. Just kidding guys, just kidding. The V20 is here, so let's check this out. So the V20 has a full wheel display with no notch and no dewdrops. So the camera is only located on the left side. So let's go to the back of the phone. So you can see that there's the V at the back, known for View 20. So this is the special feature of the Honor V20. The back glass is really very nice, and it's I can't stop looking at this design of this View 20. It's just too good, man, just too good. So let's go ahead and check out the contents. So what do we have here? We have a SIM card ejector too, and inside there's a soft case for the View 20. So how does it look like with the case? It looks same. I still can see the V-shaped reflection through the glass. So yeah, and it feels good too. If you don't want to get another case, there's a built-in case, a case inside this case. This case actually feels quite thin, so it's not like making the phone bulky and stuff like that. And you can choose to use it, or you can just get a third-party case if you want to. So we have the USB Type-C cable, which is supercharged compatible, and a supercharged power brick. But sad to say that the View 20 doesn't come with an earphone. But guess what guys? The earphone jack lives on the View 20. The earphone jack is here. So it's something that I've actually missed since I've been using the Mate 20 Pro. So let's continue with the phone. So the next thing about the phone is I'll just go through the I'll just roughly go through about this phone so that you guys know that what are you guys looking for. So this is the Honor View 20. It has a rear fingerprint sensor, which is what I actually love to use compared to the in-screen fingerprint like the Mate 20 Pro. It is actually very convenient, and I can actually drag the notification bar down with just the fingerprint sensor on the back, which is something I really enjoyed using with the P9 Plus previously. So let's say I view a photo now, and it's the full view display. So if you see that the camera is just located right here, it's just like you know, it's just like the stationery that you use to punch holes on the side of the paper. Well, it's quite a neat design as compared to the Mate 20 Pros with the notch. So the next thing is the V20 has a 48 megapixel camera, main camera with a Sony sensor and a zoom lens. There's only 2 cameras on the back, and on the front this camera is 25 megapixels. It takes quite a good selfies though. So the next thing is the phone actually has 128 gigabytes of storage and 6 gigs of RAM, so which is quite sufficient for current date's use. So it is a 6.4-inch screen. Doesn't feel big on the hands, and I can use it with only one hand, so it's quite convenient. But without a case, this phone will be very slippery, and it will slip out from your hands easily as it's slipping now. Yeah, so if you are a person who takes care of your phone, you should use a case. So the View 20 has 3 colors: the blue, the red, and this black. This is known as the midnight black. So the black is actually quite classy, and the reflection is yum. I like it. Alright, so the Honor View 20 is equipped with the Android 9, the Pi, and it's having the UI version, the Magic UI from Honor. So it's a slightly different user experience from the Mate 20 Pro with the MUI 9. CPU is the Kirin 980, same with the Mate 20 Pro. Now the camera has already been equipped with AI, artificial intelligence, automatically adapt to the scene from your camera view and will adjust the proper settings. If let's say you are in a dark condition, it will know that it has to use a night shot or the night photography mode, or when you're taking photo of your food, it will automatically optimize the colors to make your food tastier just by looking at the photo. So guys, thank you for watching. So this is just a brief description of the View 20 and what you get from the box. So stay tuned for the review of this Honor View 20. So I'll see you guys next time. Ciao.